Sophia, what are you doing?
Be careful your hands, okay? Okay?
Boo! Hey, I'm cooking.
Hey, watch what you're doing.
Hey,
Watch what you're doing.
I'm cooking, Ate. Oh.
Tell everyone you're cooking. Look at the camera.
What did you put in there?
Garlic.
What else?
Onion.
And?
Onion.
Okay, that's it. Okay. Okay, I'll put it on low so we can put the sausage. You can put the sausage in.
Uh-huh.
Watch what you're cooking. You might burn it.
What?
Mix it, but
Mix it.
carefully. Remember how Mama taught you? Put the whole thing in first, and then slice it. Garlic. Excuse me. So I'm gonna put this in, okay? And then you mix it. No, don't touch this. This is meat. Okay, here. And how does it smell? How does it smell, Sophia? Mix it. Remember, hold the sides.
Okay.
There. Yes.
Look at me.
Fia, don't look.
I like the cup.
It's good.
You know, get a cup.
We'll see.
Okay.
Okay. And then you just let it come out. Okay?
What's up?
Soup.
So where in there?
Snoopy.
It's called
I
the olive oil in soup.
Hmm?